Alright, what's up, good people? This is what I'm gonna do. These are the brushes, or this is the brush and the roller from the job I did earlier. I'm basically gonna show you how I clean a brush and a roller after, a paint job. It's been a while since I painted anything, but I don't believe that I've lost my touch, you know what I mean? It's hard to find good help out here. Hard to find good help. They want to get the money and run, or make it fast and not do a good job. This is how I clean the brush. This is how I clean mine. After every single job, this is what I used to do. Every single job. It does two things, or a few things, but the two that come to mind for me first, it saves you money. So that you don't have to keep buying this stuff over and over and over, like you big time. Almost lost it, like you big time. Do this until I don't see any more, no more brown. Inside's clean as a whistle, no paint in there. My spinner at. I normally have a spinner where I put it in there and I spin it. It's wild, it's not in my bag. That's interesting. That's interesting. I guess that disappeared. But anyway. No paint. Don't see any paint. Clean. Next. Peace.